My trains are happily going around the track, but when they get here, they stop. Looking at my track, I've got power on this side, but I haven't here. I know what the problem is. Time to fix it. I use these bars all around my layout to connect from my block detection units through to the cabling, but as you can see, they wobble a bit and they lose the connection. So what's the fix? It's these wonderful old Wago connectors. For those who've seen my videos, you'll know I like these. I use them for everything. This is the first time I'm using the one-to-one, and my plan is to replace the old plastic bar with 16 of these. Let's give it a go. Back on the track, everything seems good, and hopefully those connectors will be more reliable than the bars. Thanks for watching, see you soon.